ये है अनसेट फीलिंग विद शाइंकी के क्लिप्स, जहां आपको बड़े बड़े पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड छोटा छोटा करके दिखाएंगे। तो देखते रहिए और बहुत कुछ सीखते रहिए। Today people have a lot of questions before having sex for the very first time. So what are the three things you want to tell them? Like someone who's having sex for the very first time, what are the three things you would tell them?
The first thing, it's not necessary that the girl bleeds when you're having sex for the first time, and it's an achievement for a guy. Yes, वो मैंने ही करा उसका.
Oh shit.
So yeah, it's not necessary for the woman to bleed for the first time. You should know for the fact, because a lot of men judge women based on that कि अगर ये bleed नहीं हुई तो maybe she's not a virgin and all of that.
So true.
But every woman is different, every body is different, so it's not necessary. So please, every guy should know this and every girl should know this. उनको ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए shit ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ, because the hymen can get stretched. So everyone feels that the hymen gets torn but it gets stretched. तो वो आपको किसी भी चीज़ से हो सकता है. When you're inserting a menstrual cup, whether you're stretching, exercising, horse riding, किसी भी चीज़ से हो सकता है.
Oh.
So it's not necessary that only when you're having sex that time you should bleed. And in fact, it's not necessary you have to bleed.
Right.
Few women bleed and few women don't.
Correct.
So that's the first thing they should know. Second thing, peer pressure पे आके मत करो. मेरे friends ने किया है तो I also have to do it. And make sure to have water-based lubricants,
Correct.
because that's important, and most importantly have condoms. Protection बहुत ज़रूरी है. Third most important point, first time अच्छा नहीं गया तो it's okay. It's fine. If you didn't orgasm, it's fine, because you're just trying to learn, explore. पहली बार हो रहा है आपके साथ. There are a lot of things running in your mind, because already आप बहुत कुछ सोचते होंगे मैं कैसे लग रही होंगी, like बहुत कुछ चलता होता है ना वुमेन के माइंड में. I'm talking about the woman's perspective, and of course even the guy. तो उनको ऐसा लगता है कि कैसे होता होगा, because it's happening for the first time. And अंदर अजीब सा, because for getting into that phase of orgasm you need to get really deep, and then वो पूरा होता है. But first time हो रहा है, हुआ तो अच्छी बात, नहीं हुआ तो don't sit and crib about it, and don't judge your relationship based on your first sex.
I think बहुत सारे रिलेशनशिप मैंने सुना है खत्म हो गया because the first sex was not good.
Yeah, and first sex ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अच्छा हो, एंड बिकॉज बहुत सारे जजमेंट्स होते हैं इस चीज़ को लेके. एंड आई थिंक द पॉइंट्स आई टोल्ड, बहुत प्रेप्ड होना चाहिए, कंसेंट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड हैव दोज थिंग्स, जैसे मैंने बोला, लाइक जैसे वाटर बेस्ड लुब्रिकेंट्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता है ये सारी चीज़ें. पर हैव द कॉन्डम्स. एंड ज़रूरी नहीं है कॉन्डम सिर्फ लड़कों को लाना है, लड़कियाँ प्लीज़ फील फ्री. नहीं जाना मेडिकल, आजकल तो ब्लिंकिट एंड ज़ेप्टो, ऑल ऑफ इट इज़ देयर. जस्ट गेट इट, पुट इट इन योर बैग, and yeah, these are the, I think, most important things you should know when you're having sex for the first time.
Correct. And I think this to everyone, like having sex for the first time, कि it's okay to teach each other कि यार थोड़ा सा ऐसे होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा ऐसे होना चाहिए. So when you are in bed, talk. Communicate. It is very 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 important. And ना सब अपने दुनिया में रहते हैं कि okay, this is how you need to do, this is how you need to do. Sometimes it is okay to tell the other person what do you like.
Yeah, because your partner is not like a magician or something who will know what you like, because how will he know your touches? You should tell him. Correct. What type of touch you like, where do you feel the most. If you don't tell him, he will just do what he wants, or he won't do it at all.
Exactly.
So if you want it, ask for it.
ऐसे क्लिप्स देखने के लिए हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, और इसी का फुल वर्जन आपको अगर देखना है, फुल पॉडकास्ट देखना है, तो हमारे मेन चैनल पे जाके उसको देख सकते हैं.